Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and we're here today in beautiful Stockholm, Sweden to cook up the Swedish classic Scalloped Falukorv sausage. So the Swedish Falukorv is like a bologna, and the first thing that we want to do is remove the skin. The next thing that you want to do is you want to cut down about 3/4 at 1 inch apart. The next thing we want to do is take some good fresh apples and slice them into very thin slices and then cut those in half. It's time to put mustard on the sausages, and you want to go with whole grain mustard or German mustard. And what you want to do here is massage it in and make it sure that it gets into all the nooks and the crannies. When the inside is covered, you want to stick an apple just like that. And then you want to cover the top with a little bit more extra mustard, spread that out. The last thing we want to do before we put it in the smoker is to cover it with a lot of flavorful cheese. I like a Swedish cheese called Västerbottenost. However, you can go with sharp cheddar as well. Then we're going to put it in the grill, 425 for about 30 minutes. The sausage has been in now for about 30 minutes and the cheese is taking on a beautiful brown color. So it's time to remove them. And that's how you make the scalloped fallen sausage on the Green Mountain Grill.